Lot number 150 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American 72 passenger school bus. This one's been running for over an hour. It idles smooth, revs up nice, automatic transmission engages. It's got two AC units and they both blow warm, but there's no belt connected to the compressors. So we really don't know if they're good or not. The body looks good. It shows normal wear and tear, minor dings and dents. The paint looks faded and the roof looks moldy, but there's no real damage on this one. It's missing all three batteries. The batteries you see here belong to us, and we use them to start these buses that don't have any batteries. You're also gonna need those connectors that connect all three batteries together. The batteries and the connectors are missing. But I put those two batteries and it cranked right up. No starting fluid needed. And it's been running for about an hour. Has not overheated. It's got a dent on the rear corner, passenger side. The engine looks good. Sounds good. Right there you see the belt missing for the compressors. The motor sounds good. Here's the driver's side. Minor dents on the corner and the rest of the body looks straight. Very minor little scratches and dents. It's a good looking bus overall. All right, let's look inside. The interior looks good. It's got normal wear and tear. Here's the driver's seat. It's torn right there in the corner. It's a little dirty. All the gauges appear to be working fine. 73,000 miles on this one. And I can read the hours. 13,000 hours. And both of the AC units are blowing warm. All right, that's it. It's a Bluebird 72 passenger All-American school bus, lot number 150. Remember, if you win this bus, come with 3 batteries and the connectors. Good luck.